Hey there, it's Makey. Remember when Samsung and Google used to not get along about Android? Samsung would hardly talk about Google during their phone launches, and they even hinted that Tizen could challenge Android. But now with the S24's launch, it seems like Samsung and Google are best friends. And now, they're teaming up to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra even better. If you tuned into the Unpacked event, you would have seen Samsung inviting Google on stage not just to talk about the S24, but also about features coming to the Pixel 8 phones. These two companies have figured out they're better off working together. One cool feature they're teaming up on is called Circle to Search, made by Google, and it's a big deal for the S24. Now, it looks like Samsung and Google are stepping up their AI game with even more teamwork. T.M. Rowe, the head of Samsung's mobile division, recently had a meeting with Rick Osterloh from Google, who leads a team focused on AI. Samsung announced that they're teaming up with Google to create the best Android ecosystem of products and services. They suggested that there are some cool things coming up for the future of AI-powered Android and Galaxy experiences. So, it seems like we can expect more awesome AI features developed together by these two big tech companies for the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra and Pixel 9. Even though the exact features are a secret, a report from South Korea gives us a clue about what might be coming. It seems that Samsung's managing director at their LSI division said on April 17 that the Galaxy S25 series will use Google's new on-device AI model, Gemini Nano 2. He also mentioned that Samsung had a private meeting with Google to discuss more AI development for the Galaxy S25, which strongly suggests they were talking about Gemini Nano 2. If you're curious, Gemini Nano is what powers all the cool on-device AI stuff on the S24. With Gemini Nano 2 on the S25, we might see even fancier AI features. These features won't just work without needing the internet, they'll also use up less battery. Sadly, we don't know yet what these features will be. But Google I/O 2024 is coming up in May, so we might get some clues then. Ice Universe hinted that the next One UI update, 6.1.1, will focus on video AI. But he didn't say exactly how it'll work. Right now, the only cool video AI thing on the S24 is the instant slow-mo feature, which turns normal videos into slow-motion ones. It'll be cool to see what else Samsung has planned. And the good news is, we won't have to wait long because the update is coming to new foldable devices in July. If you're thinking of getting an S24, now's a good time because Samsung is giving big discounts. They're taking $200 off the S24 Ultra, $150 off the S24 Plus, and $75 off the regular S24. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Thing that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness.